Have you heard about the upcoming Vivo X100 Pro? The internet is buzzing with leaks and speculations about this much-anticipated device. In an unexpected move, the official website of Vivo has revealed the real images of the premium Vivo X100 Pro ahead of its launch. The images hint at an exciting design and a range of color variants. What's most eye-catching is a round and larger camera module, a feature we're eager to explore. But that's not all. Vivo isn't just launching the X100 Pro. The smartphone sibling, the X100, and the Vivo Watch 3 are also set to make their debut. It's a big day for Vivo, and an even bigger one for tech enthusiasts. The leaks and the official images have certainly whetted our appetite. It's clear that Vivo has some big surprises in store for us with the X100 Pro. So what can we expect from this new flagship device? Based on the leaks, the Vivo X100 Pro promises some major updates that could set it apart from its competitors. The heart of this device will be the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 chipset, hailed as the most powerful flagship chipset from MediaTek. This powerhouse is expected to provide a seamless and lightning-fast experience, making the X100 Pro a force to be reckoned with. But it's not all about power. The X100 Pro is also set to be a photographer's dream, boasting Zeiss-branded cameras for a superior photography experience. This collaboration with Zeiss is a clear statement of Vivo's dedication to delivering top-tier camera technology in their smartphones. The X100 Pro is expected to make its debut today at 7 p.m. China time, and there's speculation about a potential launch in India and globally. With these updates, Vivo is clearly pushing the boundaries of what we can expect from a smartphone. But how much will it cost? One of the most pressing questions on everyone's mind is, what will the Vivo X100 Pro cost? Well, let's dive into it. Leaked information suggests that the base model of the Vivo X100 Pro is expected to cost around 3,999 Chinese yuan, which is approximately 45,600 rupees. This price tag, interestingly enough, is expected to be slightly higher than the previous Vivo X90, which was launched at 59,999 rupees, and the Pro version at 84,999 rupees. Now let's switch gears and delve into the specifications. The Vivo X100 Pro will be available in 4 striking color variations: black, orange, blue, and white. The blue color is said to be inspired by the star trails, adding a unique touch to the device, while the orange variant will sport a stylish leather back. The camera module is larger and features 4 Zeiss-branded sensors along with an LED flash on the top. This smartphone is set to offer a top-notch visual experience with its 6.78-inch full high-definition plus AMOLED display, boasting a resolution of 2800 by 1260 pixels. Performance-wise, the Vivo X100 series is breaking new ground. It's the first to incorporate low-power double data rate 5 Turbo, a technology that's 13% faster than the commonly found LPDDR5 XDRAM in current flagship devices. When it comes to the camera, the Vivo X100 will house a 50-megapixel primary sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 64-megapixel periscope lens. The front will feature a 32-megapixel shooter, perfect for crisp and clear selfies. The handset will run on Android 14, based on FunTouch OS with a custom skin, promising a user-friendly experience. The Vivo X100 Pro seems to be packed with features that could make it a game-changer in the smartphone market. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the launch. Before we wrap up, let's quickly summarize what we know about the Vivo X100 Pro. Leaks from the official website reveal a vibrant design and a hefty camera module. The device is expected to be powered by MediaTek's potent Dimensity 9300 chipset and features Zeiss-branded cameras. An Indian launch is speculated around mid-December or early January. The price tag might hover around 45,600 rupees. That's all we have for now on the Vivo X100 Pro. Remember, these are all leaks and speculations, so take them with a grain of salt. As always, we'll keep you updated as more information becomes available. Until then, keep the tech talk going in the comments below.